Get that Russian olive, ain't that pretty?
Look at that butterfly up there, isn't it?
And the butterfly, I'm trying.
Don't walk up.
Yeah, I know. I said it with a K, guys, I know.
What kind of butterfly is that?
Monarch?
No, it looks like gray or black.
Oh, well, how am I supposed to know? I'm not the butterfly whisperer.
And you're not the camera holder.
You're a dick. Oh, look at the butterfly on it now.
That's the same one.
He's...
If you stand here, he'll get on your stick.
Honey,
what?
If we breathe, he moves.
What?
He don't want it on your stick.
What?
He thinks you're trying to stab him. Now he's gone. You smell that?
Honey, that's up there. He's burning shit. He's sweat in the air.
Well, he's burning the mildewed stuff. Yeah, because too, he's so tight he won't even pay for $20 a month trash pickup. I'm not going to spend my time talking about other people. Derelicts. Yeah, them either. Indian chief. He said, if you didn't hear him, he said, I can't keep up with you, Sandy. You're like a little Indian on a warpath. And he said, I'm like the medicine man, close to death. Because his hip hurts. I'm sorry, Robert.
That's beyond hurt.
I know, it's very painful. Okay. You forget you live with me.
It's alright pain, as long as it ain't on me.
As long as it's...
pain. It's alright being around you.
He said he can tolerate pain as long as it's somebody else's pain. He can tolerate being around them. Hang on, guys. Anyway, I changed my SD.
A miniature dog. Look, see that? See, there's 3 across, 3 across.
Anyway, hang on. A miniature dogman. I don't know, guys. Do you know what that is?
It looks like 2 of them.
It looks like they were...
They were running after each other.
No, they were probably locked. Anyway, he said, before I paused it, he said, I feel like I'm walking without a hip bone. Hey, what?
It is. I can see it from here.
What big piece?
That piece, big. I can see.
I ain't picking that up.
Try. You can lift it.
No. I don't want to pack it. You don't understand.
I don't know. You don't understand.
I know, but... What was that? Anyway, you want... I know, I think it was a frog.
Try that feet print and see.
Feet print.
Jump up and hit you with 3 pads.
I don't even remember what I was saying. Okay, anyway, guys.
I think I can sleep in the cat box tonight. I don't think I can make it.
Cat box is at the house.
Huh?
It's at the house.
But it ain't all the way around the house.
Okay. This is it, guys. I am going to sign off. Thought I seen something move. And upload these when I get home.